Let's talk about the hands-on way to gain skills. Take control of tomorrow, today, with VU Polytechnic. With a facility that includes everything from building and construction to electrical and carpentry, you'll learn the skills you need to hit the ground running in your trade. Our apprentices work on real projects with their employers and on campus. These projects can be small-scale activities or part of larger programs, such as our full-scale LiveWorks transportable homes. VU Polytechnic's range of simulation labs are designed to offer the hands-on experience you need to step into your career with confidence. Hungry for more opportunities? The Venue restaurant provides you the chance to train in all aspects of hospitality and events, all forming part of our range of industry-connected courses, from TAFE to higher education and postgraduate studies. Expert training and experience in the workplace give our hair, beauty and massage students the confidence they need to dream big and succeed, with our massage students gaining professional experience on placement with partners such as the Western Bulldogs Football Club, and many of our hair and beauty graduates going on to win industry awards and have their work seen on everything from the catwalk to the cinema screen. VU's state-of-the-art cybersecurity facility, in partnership with Cisco Systems, offers you the chance to take part in real-world cyber threat scenarios designed by global experts. Play on the side of the hackers or the cybersecurity professionals and learn the skills you'll need for tomorrow's digital battlegrounds. At the Sunshine Skills Hub, you can interact with the latest technology, including 3D printers, robotic arms, and a hypervision wall, helping you stay at the forefront of the latest techniques and the next generation of ideas. Away from the classroom, VU's range of common areas offer spaces to relax, study, and build communities.